Take a ride in the 2014 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, rear view camera, airbags, front, center, audio radio, touch screen display. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.